Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the developer console in Settings, because without it commands won't run. Once done, press the default key, tilde or F1 to confirm it opens. You should save to a second slot first. Console actions can modify or corrupt progress. Then type a harmless query like status to see output and confirm command feedback. Make sure to note the exact command spelling in case, because the console is literal and won't guess. You'll now perform actual console actions, so pay attention to syntax. The console requires exact command names and arguments. For longer tasks, chain commands using andn to run them in order, and always test sequences on your backup save. When spawning items, include the item ID and the quantity, for example, spawn item 123. Once done, observe the game response line by line and undo with the appropriate To finish, close the console and reload your backup save to confirm the changes persisted without corruption. If the game crashes or behaves oddly, restore the backup immediately and avoid further commands until you identify the cause. Make sure mods and game version match. Incompatible mods often break console operations. If nothing helps, collect logs and report the bug. Keep changes small and incremental, so you can isolate what each console command actually did.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.